Casi la majo con mi pie.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Bike Hike Botany. Today we're in an amazing location that is not very well known.
Yeah, we're like in the middle of the...
Okay. That's our guide telling us where to go.
Una buena huella, ¿eh?
Looks awesome.
So if you remember in our last thing, we saw some side trails that go off into the forest a bit, and so here we are. Our guide dropped us off. We are a good half-hour walk from the main road into the forest, following the Rio Agujitas. Is that what it is?
Yes.
There's a series of waterfalls, and there's a private trail. This is a community organized local tourism area. So basically there's a private house at the top of the hill and a local family, and you can organize your tours through Pedro. And
who's way up there on the waterfall waving at us.
So yeah, there's a parking lot up there. There's camping you can arrange with a family that's at the top of the trail system. You see that?
What was it?
I caught the fly. No flies were harmed.
This is full of awesome plants. So we have an anthurium here, like a bird's nest anthurium, and these beautiful ferns, syngoniums, philodendron pterodum, some beautiful begonias. Check out this anthurium. This beautiful purple fruit, and it's starting to produce seeds. As we can see, this is inflorescence. Lovely dark burgundy color, dark purple. The inflorescence is very important when identifying anthuriums. So there's tons of anthuriums out there. A lot of them look alike. This is going to help me identify also the shape of the petiole. So you heard me saying it was a D shape. So anthuriums have different shaped petioles. Some are just round and smooth. So others are D-shaped or C-shaped. So this is another important characteristic of an anthurium. Oh, so cute.
This is just fallen into the riverbed.
Beautiful. So tillandsias are air plants. They're epiphytic, meaning that they don't need soil in order to grow. They like to attach themselves to a tree, and they gather moisture from the air.
You could actually see the branch it was attached to. Little branch. It has little roots, and I guess the branch broke and it's falling down here. Okay, so here's another anthurium that we do not know exactly what it is. So using the same methods that Lindsay mentioned before, we're going to look at the leaf structure,
the venation,
shape, the venation, the margin, and obviously we're going to look at the petiole. You're going to have the inflorescence in the seeds here. You can see it's a dark burgundy purple almost. So we're going to try to find the ID and let you know.
Beautiful. Look at the veining on this. It's so pretty. I love how it contrasts with the green of the leaves.
What do you think of this place?
Yeah, I love it. I want to come back already. A few hours doesn't seem like enough time to spend here. Okay, come across an adelonema. It's opening up a new leaf. Oh, it's so pretty. It actually reminds me of the philodendron gloriosum because the backside, when the leaves are just opening up, it has this really pale pink hue. Beautiful. Wow, that is so beautiful. This is really awesome to find this just on the side of the trail. Incredible. That's one heck of a big anthurium, Richard. These are beautiful wild colocasias just growing on the side of the river here.
Wow.
What do you think? Look how huge that leaf is. My goodness. Okay, so Richard is like 6 feet tall. 6'1" or something. 6'1". Yeah. So just to give you guys some perspective here, that is one heck of a large leaf. This is so beautiful. I love this philodendron, Philodendron torotum. So this is fallen down from a tree. So these generally will reach this size if they can climb high enough up into the tree. So it's really rare that you'll find them just on the side of a river this size.
Can you name any word that rhymes with torotum?
We made it out of the jungle alive. Okay, that was awesome.
What an amazing hike in the jungle. So many plants, so many anthuriums, so many philodendrons. There's only one home at the entrance of this property. There's no cell phone reception. We're pretty far off the grid. Actually, there's no electricity out here. This home has their own generator that's not working currently.
Yeah, so we're gonna leave the information to contact Pedro if you guys are in Jaco and you want to come and check this area out, which I highly recommend. So just check down in the video description below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this hike. We did. Our feet are pretty wet and pruny, but yeah, this was awesome. So yeah, so that's gonna be it.
Thank you so much for joining us. Hit like, hit subscribe if you like this kind of content, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Okay, hello, people of the world. I'd like to invite you to come to Costa Rica, here in Central Pacific, Jaco Beach, the most visited beach in all Central America. Come to the waterfalls. We work under Turismo Rural Comunitario. It means we work with the whole community together. So it's beautiful waterfalls. We got clay. You can put clay in your face, and hydro massage in beautiful waterfalls.
And amazing wild plants.
There you go.
For all the botany lovers.
Pura vida.
Here's the phone number right down there. You guys can get a hold of Pedro, contact him directly, and he'll happily give you a tour.
There you go. All
right.
This is for you.
Thank you so much, Pedro.
That's a llamanda.
Pura vida.